Hello students, how are you? I am sure you are following all the rules regarding coronavirus by washing hands properly, by maintaining social distance, by greeting traditionally, maintain proper hygiene. If sick, follow doctor advice. Stay home, stay safe. Students, I am from Thakur Shamnarayan High School. First of all, welcome to you in 4th standard. And today we are going to learn computer subject. This is our chapter number 1 which we are going to learn today. So let's start our lesson. Our lesson name is Computer Peripherals, Input and Output Devices. Students, do you know what is computer peripherals? Here are some devices which are connected to the CPU that called computer peripherals. Computer peripherals are divided in two parts, one input devices and two output devices. Some of commonly used input and output devices are listed in the following table. Input devices: keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, gaming pad, scanner, touch screen, touchpad and trackpad, web camera. And output devices: monitor, printer, speaker and plotter. First of all, we are going to learn about input devices. For example, in the human body, information enters the brain through eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Same way, in the computer system, information enters through the input devices. These are the input devices. Input devices means that devices which are give information or data to the computer. First input device is keyboard. Keyboard is one of the most commonly used input device. It is used for typing letters and numbers along with some special characters. This input device is used to enter data and instructions using more than 100 buttons present on it. In a standard keyboard, there are 104 keys. Second input device is mouse. The mouse is the pointing device that is used for pointing and objects on the monitor. It is also used for drawing images. It has 3 buttons: left button, right button and scroll button. Here are two types of mouse: optical mouse and cordless mouse. Optical mouse. An optical mouse is popular these days, which has a light beam underneath that reflect and sense the motion. And cordless mouse. Cordless mouse is also popular nowadays, which work on Bluetooth technology to send movement signal to computer. Next input device is scanner. Scanner is used to store images, pictures, diagrams, etc. into the computer system. It is work like a photocopier machine. It is used to convert hard copy into soft copy. Joystick and gaming pad. Joystick and gaming pad, these two devices are input devices which helps in playing video games, it has one or more buttons on it. Next, microphone. We can record our voice or other sound and give voice instructions to the computer by microphone. Light pen. Light pen is an input device which is similar to mouse. It is used to draw any figure directly in the computer screen. And last, web camera. A web camera is used to capture live images and videos and transmit them over the internet. Now, output devices. When we give given data to the computer, after that CPU process on it and give the result to us. The peripheral devices which are used to show the entered data or information by the computer system are called output devices. These are the output devices. First is monitor. The monitor is a device that displays text and images. After processing the input, the results are shown on the monitor. Monitors are of two types, CRT monitor and LCD monitor. CRT, cathode ray tube, and LCD, liquid crystal display. LCD monitors are thinner, lighter, and consume less electricity. That's why LCD monitors are popular these days. Printer. A printer is an output device used to get the printed copy or the hard copy of your work on paper. Printer can be of different types like dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer. Laser printer is the fastest and give higher quality output than other type of printers. Speaker. Speaker is used to generate audio output. It generally used with computer to play music and song. And next, plotter. Plotter gives print of photographs, drawing, and images stored in the system. Plotter can generate higher quality graphical outputs. These are the generally used by engineers and architects. Students, did you understand what we had learned till now? I hope that you all understand all these things which we learn today. This is assignment about which we have learned today, and now you will solve it in your notebook. Assignment. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.